I'm on job 1 of 2 today, and interesting, this customer did not want to clean the gutters. I know you guys can see it up there, but this is what we are working with. Putting in all this brick and all the window frames and sills and all that stuff, but this is the main part. This side has been soaked. Look at these gutters. Look at this. It's pretty good transformation for gutters that are this old. I want to show you guys the high-low solutions surface plan. I'm trying to figure out a grip here. So I've just finished up at the job here. Concrete turned out good. They just wanted the sidewalk. All the gutters turned out good. You saw that. Brick stairs, front porch turned out great. And what I'm about to do now is go pass out door hangers on the street. Finish a little quicker than I had thought, so got some extra time. Put out some door hangers and get some more business in the neighborhood. That's what all of you should do, is put out door hangers in neighborhoods that you don't work in often. And yeah, your name will spread. That's what I do, and about to do it now. I've got a 2.1 injector washing this house. This is really the only bad side, so this is the only side I'll probably film. You gotta be careful because this homeowner keeps coming outside. They insist upon helping me, but I don't want to spray bleach all over them. I can't stand when that happens. I mean, I get they just don't know, but I'm using a 2.1 injector because my 2.3 injector went bad yesterday. So this is all I had in the truck. Sorry if I'm not getting the angles. Trying to hurry here, not let this husband come out. I want to get this rinsed. And here is the last spot. I usually bleach the front door last and then rinse it first. That way, if anyone comes out, that part is clean. All right, this water. And boom, if he comes out, he'll just get wet with water. And I'm rinsing the not so dirty parts first so that the dirty parts can have a little bit longer to dwell. There's some things you can do to make your life a little bit easier. This takes a little bit of thinking and intentionality. Being intentional with what you're spraying, when you're spraying it, and how you're spraying it. This is the dirtiest spot, so let it dwell the longest. Pretty basic concept, but helps out a lot. Anyone else hate frog poop? Frog poop kind of takes some pressure to get off. I don't understand what they be eating, but it's a bit annoying, but it's okay. I'm gonna rinse these windows real well.